Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo.
Good morning.
Obsessed. You're being funny. You're being funny because he's done with his breakfast and we had pancakes. Yeah.
Tastes good. Tastes good.
But I forgot to film because I don't know.
Yeah.
I forgot. I just forgot.
She's a little bit shy every morning, you know.
Nani waratiru no? Nani waratiru no?
You're shy.
I'm not shy. I'm busy.
No.
Look at my hair. I'm not yet done, but I'm done with the face.
Be right back.
Yeah. Be right back, guys. See you later. So we were heading out early today. It's still 10:30. Yep. So yeah. I'll see you later, and this is my face of the day. Yep, I'm already done. So we'll just be going out to do some errands as usual. Yeah. So it's still kind of early. Osashiburi, ne? Because we usually go during lunchtime. But today is kind of early day because we have business later this afternoon. Oh my gosh, why are you doing that break? Genki, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, I tell you, if I don't tell him that, oh, it's already there, we'll be there, he forgets, like me. Old people syndrome, ne? Yeah.
Old people syndrome.
Old people syndrome. So supposedly we'll be going to Genki, and since I'm talking, I forgot to tell him that, oh, we need to cross now.
You're embarrassing me.
Yeah! Expose. Yeah, don't worry, sweet. We're Unaji. We're the same. Me too. I always forget things. I don't know. Getting older. Sign of old age.
You know, there's a study that smart people tend to forget things. Simple things. Like driving, you know, where to go.
So you're smart.
That's, yeah, kind of.
So you're claiming that you're smart.
Yeah, more than that.
Oh my G. Oh my G. So we're at Genki. See you later. So we are at Genki and we are finding for a blueberry supplement. So which one are you getting? That one? It's kind of pricey. You just get that one.
It's 900.
900?
It's good for 1 week.
But do you think it's that effective compared to
compared to milligram, it's higher.
You better get the one that we get before.
You mean that what I tried before?
Yeah, because you've already tried that one.
Okay, but it's kind of expensive. Yeah.
Daijubu, put it in the cart. Sorry, we're not allowed to film here, but we're filming. Going to buy this one because this is my favorite drink. No, it's not a drink. It's a, what else? We still have a toothpaste. We'll just go to Baller to buy Ariel. Not here because it's crazy. It's Takai here. It's expensive. We'll just go to the other store. I think that one was Morinaga or Meiji.
Because pares ko na ito yung 560 yan lang ang
I think you're gonna buy this one because it's already 70%.
200 grams sa kanya is 300 grams.
Yeah, better buy that one because it's 70%
Na no?
cacao.
Nadadaan ba no?
Yes. exactly.
Duha lang.
Oh, Melo. Mero, but I don't like Mero.
Duha lang or usa?
My gosh, ice cream. Hmm?
Soy bawa na. Wala no?
One na. You don't have. We already opened the other one. No, I think it's there. So we're done at Genki, but I forgot to purchase my 500 yen coupon. But it's fine because the expiration date will be next year, January. Yeah, maybe next time. So we are here in Valor already and
No
trying
parking
to
there.
find parking space. You want closer or you want to go upstairs?
I wanna go upstairs.
Let's just go upstairs. Hi, so I will just be showing to you quickly my outfit for this very sunny and cold day. So I'm just wearing, of course, this very comfortable snow boots and a big sweater and another sweater inside, and of course my go-to bag and no accessory, just an earring for today. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. I've noticed that everybody that we've crossed with are oldies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Japan is getting
Well, it's
closer
facing
to
extinction.
extinction because honestly their population consists of old people now.
Mostly are old people.
Yeah, most of them are old people and very few of them are getting married, and if they get married they don't want any children because they don't want responsibilities, they don't want yeah, number one, responsibility, and of course money, because every year it's getting expensive, like tax and everything, food and house. Yes, that's what's happening right now. Oh no, no more cart. So since we are lazy, we will be buying our lunch here because there are a lot of bento. What do you like? So I'm having this one. What are you having?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, and I'll get some fish.
Yeah. It's a lot of food. Yeah.
Today and tomorrow.
What else?
Today and tomorrow.
That one looks... You're getting a fish?
Yeah, I'm getting a fish.
I think we need to buy some salad, and I don't know which one are we going to get. This one, maybe I'll get this one. Yeah. How about this one?
Yeah, it's okay. Whatever you say.
Or this? This is just to...
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get this one. So this is the one that we always use as a dressing, salad dressing. It's a deep roasted sesame dressing. It's best for salad, in my opinion. So let's go to the laundry area, trying to buy something that is on sale. What? Yeah, this one from Ariel. I always get mine here because it's more affordable here compared to the other store. Kairanay. Abunay. It's going to burst. Okay, we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
What else? Since it's still pretty early, there are a lot of people. And yeah, we're waiting in line. Usually when we shop in the afternoon, there's not a lot of people. but since it's still early. Oi. Are. Are. Say something. Say something. I'm giving
Me?
up on you.
You're filming me?
Yeah.
Why?
Right now.
I'm cold.
You're cold?
Kind of cold.
Yeah, it's really
I
cold.
mean, I'm in the supermarket, but it's cold. Really cold.
Because I think they have the refrigerators
Yeah.
on high.
And they're not. I think they're not using heater in here.
Yeah, to save.
Yeah, just to say.
Okay, bye. Bye. So I'm hanging here for a while because my husband went to the men's room. Yeah, he needs to. Whenever we go out, he always goes to the toilet. But me, I don't like going to the restroom that often. I know. I just feel comfortable going just in our house. I don't feel comfortable to do my thing outside. Yeah. So just hanging around with all this on my background. Yeah. We're still inside Valor, but we're heading home now. Not yet. Well, not yet. We're still going to buy kerosene gas. Yeah, and it's still 11:30. Yeah, still pretty early, and he's here. Success? Yeah. Let's go. Push the button and let me know. You forgot again. Hello. Why isn't the door not closing? Hey guys, we're inside the elevator. I cannot see my face. Yeah, what are you doing?
Again, my hair is flatting. Yeah. My hair is flatting.
We're here.
It's like a flat tire.
Oh my god.
Almost
It's
back.
not level. We're back. We're going home, yeah.
Yeah, I heard it's hard.
Oh, it's a beautiful day today. The sun is out. It's not gloomy at all. I like it. I so like it. I like the sun up, but I don't like this wind. It's just so freaking cold. It's cold, yeah? Yeah. It looks so weird. Like when you see, when we were little, when we watched a movie and we were confused. Why is the person in the movie wearing a heavy jacket when the sun is so high up? And now I understand why. It's like today. The sun is so up, but it's so damn cold. Yeah. I don't like going, but it feels good. Yeah, this is good. I can smell the bread up to here baking. There's a bakery downstairs. We park upstairs because there are a lot of parking spaces. I need to hustle. We're now at the gasoline station, and yeah, amazingly the price has dropped down. Did I already? Oh my gosh, my hair, because it's so windy. Oh no, what happened? So yeah, let's go back to the price. Amazingly the price has dropped for gasoline, everything, crude oil, kerosene gas. That's fantastic because yeah. But I think in the Philippines, I just hope that transportation fare would drop too, because I think every time the gasoline drops, the transportation fee doesn't drop. It's still the same, but whenever gasoline goes up, they wanted to go up as well. That's one thing that is not so good in the Philippines. But today, let me show you guys the price for gas, kerosene gas. So before it's 1,987 yen, and now it dropped to 990 yen. So it's less than 1,000 yen. You've saved 1,000 yen. That's freakingly amazing, right? So we're home already, and I will just be quickly putting away all the stuff that we got. Yay! So this is our lunch. Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. It's katsu, pork katsu, fish with fried rice and with some salad with sesame dressing. Yeah, perfect. Perfect! And of course, we're drinking tea. Yeah, itadakimasu! Let's eat! So we just wasted our time waiting for the cargo forwarder to come, and supposedly the schedule for them to come will be around 1 p.m. until 5 p.m. And yeah, we waited from 12 noon, and luckily we went to the groceries this morning already, because since we'll be waiting for the cargo forwarder to come to get our package, but until now nobody came, and yeah, oh my gosh, I'm a little pissed off. Yeah, because we waited, and now it's already 7:30 in the evening and nobody came. Nobody. So yeah, today is Sunday, so I cannot call anybody because their office is closed. So I think I will be calling them tomorrow, Monday. Yeah, oh my god, I did not do anything. We did not do anything. We're supposed to go somewhere, and we just end up here waiting and waiting for nobody to come. Such a bomb day. But anyways, enough with my negativity. I don't want any negativity in this channel. So yeah, that's just what's been happening today. Oh my god. I don't know when I will be I don't know when I will schedule again for their next pickup. I don't know if tomorrow or during the weekdays, because it's just me and there's nobody to help them lift the big bucks. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. I just don't like it. It's pissing. So yeah, anyways guys, that's it. Yeah, maybe I'll see you later tonight. I'll be back. Okay. Hey guys, so we're heading to the convenience store. I'm wearing a mask because it's so damn cold. Yeah, it's so cold. And we're getting something to eat there, and I wanted to pay something from online store. So yeah. Oh, so cold. So we're out at 7-Eleven to get some donut. Donut addict. Yeah. You're the donut addict. Yep. Because 7-Eleven's donut tastes delicious. Delicious. Oh, right. I cannot put on my seatbelt. Yeah, so we're heading home. See you home. So cold. Yeah. It's so dark, nobody's here.
Let's live in loving.
Yeah.
What a language.
What's your language? Good night, everybody, and thank you so much for watching today's vlog. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and you cough. And keep that smile. So I hope to see you on my next one. Have a good night. Oyasuminasai. Love you all.